The Baby She Left at the Gate. Episode 1. Midnight Visitor. Evelyn was about to lock the orphanage doors for the night when she heard it. A baby crying. At first, it sounded like the wind. Then it became clear. Real. Close. She froze. The sound was coming from outside the gate. She grabbed her lantern and stepped into the cold rain. Thunder rolled above the dark street. "Hello?" Evelyn called out. No answer. Only the crying. She reached the iron gate. A small basket sat outside, soaked in rain. The crying suddenly stopped the moment she came closer. Evelyn hesitated, then opened it. Inside was a newborn baby girl. Silent now. Watching her. Too calm for a newborn. "Oh my God," Evelyn whispered. Around the baby's neck was a gold necklace. Expensive. Unusual. Attached was a folded note. Her hands shook as she opened it. "Please, protect her. They are trying to kill her." Evelyn's heart dropped. A sudden gust of wind hit the gate. She looked up. A black car was parked across the road. Engine running. Headlights on. Watching. Evelyn quickly picked up the baby. The child did not cry, only stared at her, as if she understood everything. Evelyn rushed inside and locked the doors. The moment she did, the baby started crying loudly. Too loudly. Evelyn tried to calm her. "It's okay, you're safe." But she didn't feel safe herself. Outside, the black car moved closer. Then another car arrived. Then another. One by one, black vehicles filled the street. Evelyn stepped back, holding the baby tightly. A loud bang hit the gate. "Open the door!" a man shouted. Another bang, and another. The orphanage shook. Then suddenly, silence. Everything stopped. Even the baby stopped crying. Inside, the old fax machine turned on by itself. Paper slowly printed. Evelyn read the message. "If the child survives tonight, the truth about the Rossi family will destroy everything." A gunshot echoed outside. Then silence again. Evelyn ran to the window. The street was empty. No cars, no men, gone. Only rain. Then she saw her. A woman in black stood near the gate, umbrella in hand, watching, smiling, and she whispered, "She finally found a place to hide." The baby in Evelyn's arms opened her eyes and smiled back.